If you are wondering if we have IR Blaster on Xiaomi 17, then the answer is yes, we do have IR Blaster on this phone, and with the infrared sensor we can of course set up a remote. So you can find the Mi Remote app, and then you can easily set up a remote for example, your TV, for your AC, and so on and so forth. And the sensor is located at the back of the phone. Now, I'm pretty sure it is located here where we have the flashlight. I'm not entirely sure if I can show you exactly where it is, but over here above the flashlight we have like 2 dots. Let me see if I can show it on the camera, but I don't think so. I don't think it's that visible. And there are like a couple of dots, couple of dark spots over there where we have the flashlight. And one of this is the infrared sensor. I'm not entirely sure which one it is because unfortunately I couldn't find like the diagram of the phone, so I couldn't really verify this, but it's definitely one of them. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.